Foshan Non-High Value Aluminum Products Company Limited, established in 2011 and located at Foshan City. The first business is aluminum profiles development and trade. Thanks to many loyal overseas customers, our company can grow steadily and reach knowledge on the field. Our profile systems cover both office interior and home interior. Starting from 2015, Value Company has focus on lifestyle custom-made home products and start to manufacture wardrobe and partitioning doors for projects. With the help of sophisticated production line and our professional production and technical team, we could turn customers' idea into reality. Innovation is in our DNA. Innovation brings value as we aim to optimize the value for customers, just like our company name indicates. Products are our name cards. We identify new needs, anticipating trends, design solutions, and refine processing techniques. We make sure our products are in step with the times. Currently, our main products are glass wardrobe, pivot hinge aluminum frame glass doors, partition doors. Since its foundation, the company keeps living up to the belief of honesty in dealing, best quality, people orientation, and benefits to customers. We are doing everything to offer our customers with best services and best products. We promise that we will be responsible all the way to the end once our service begins.